Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back. Mosman Oil and Gas, current share price 0.022. I never thought we'd see this share price again, but we have had some news drop, which is why the share price has dropped today. Year to date, down minus 25%. 1 month, we're down minus 44%. It's not looking great. It is not looking great because we've had some more news drop, and that drop is related to the latest drilling on the Vector campaign, guys. The latest drilling is this one here, 27th of June, 10:38 a.m. Drilling complete at Garcia Prospect, which has caused the drop. Let's see what has happened in the Garcia Prospect. So, drilling complete at Garcia Prospect. Mosman announces the completion of the drilling program at Garcia Prospect. Garcia Prospect, this well located in the Garcia Prospect in which Mosman has a 20% working interest, was spudded on 24th of June, so spudded 3 days ago, reached a total depth of 1,288 feet. Gas testing was conducted continuously using an on-site mass spectrometer. The well encountered water in the principal target, the lines formation at a depth of 1,288 feet. A flow test conducted at the top of the lines formation indicated a small percentage of helium, but the flow rate was weak, likely due to tight rock with low porosity. After drilling an additional 3 feet, further water was encountered, leading to a decision to halt further drilling. So, guys, basically, in a nutshell, it's another duster. They've only found water in the well, unfortunately. In accordance with the agreement negotiated with the landowner, Mosman will convert the well into a water well. So instead of making a helium well there, it looks like it's going to be a water well. The rig crew will demobilize following completion of the water well conversion, which is expected to cost no more than $30,000, including the pipe, gravel, and rig time. The company has yet to receive details of the final well cost, but this is not expected to differ materially from pre-drill expectations. In light of this latest disappointing well result, the company is in discussions with its partners in relation to the continuation of the current Vector campaign, and a further announcement will be made in due course. So obviously, we've done Billy Goat. Billy Goat, we didn't even find out what the results were. DED took over for a 5% royalty. The Bard was a duster, 90% working interest as well. Now Garcia here as well, a duster, only found water in the well. So the next two that remain are Treasure Hill and Mauna. Treasure Hill is actually close to Model Dome's 8% helium fine. So, I don't know, maybe it could be worth just doing Treasure Hill and then stopping, because this one's like middle of nowhere. But whereas Treasure Hill is quite close to Model Dome, so I wonder whether they would just do Treasure Hill and just stop. But let's see what our interim CEO has said. Howard, his in bold as well, his name. Given the disappointing results obtained from the Vector project thus far, we have entered into discussions about potentially concluding the drilling program early, reflecting our commitment to preserving cash resources and with the intention of allowing us to focus our full attention and financial resources on the Sagebrush and Kirtiwash helium projects. The company will provide a further update to shareholders next week. So it looks like discussions are ongoing. Sagebrush and Kirtiwash proven helium reserves. Per the RNS they did a couple of months ago, Kirtiwash is said to have even a larger resource than Sagebrush, but Sagebrush is the main priority now. It'd be good to get this like saga over with. Vector and their drills, obviously, it's taken over a year to get it done, and it's just been a disappointing set of results. Yeah, especially with Billy Goat. I think if we were to find Billy Goat's results initially, I think that would have helped a lot. But obviously, with the Bard and Garcia just finding water, not great at all. And yeah, there's only two left, Treasure Hill and this other one. I'd probably say just do Treasure Hill and then stop, just to see what happens there, because it is close to the Model Dome. That's the only reason I'm giving it. So that could be the option for them. But let's see what they're going to decide. It looks like we're going to be getting a further update to shareholders next week. So it looks like we're going to get an RNS next week on what they decide. Are they going to just stop the project, stop spending cash on these last two projects and move on to Sagebrush? Obviously, you got to remember this guy Howard. Yeah, he's got 10% interest in the Sagebrush project as well. I think he spent like 70,000 USD entering into it. So he's got a vested interest to progress Sagebrush as well. So that's good to hear. But obviously, the market doesn't like this news, guys. The market does not like this news. Hence, we are down 0.023. Remember, the last placing was done at 0.045, around that level. So anyone who purchased at the placing, the institutional investors, have been absolutely wrecked recently by the share price. So, because I think today's drop is also uncalled for, like it's overdone. Market cap's dropped to 5 million as well. So if you're really looking to get into Mosman, I'd probably say now is like the perfect time. It's at a lower level than it was at the start of the year. You would have had this spike here and then a mini spike here. So yeah, I think just get this vector stuff done with. Decide whether you want to drill the next two or not, and then move on to sagebrush and coaty wash, which are the ones with proven helium reserves, and not like here where we're literally just taking a shot in the dark based on like the map and stuff. So yeah, that's today's update on the Garcia. Not great at all. Look, we've got people saying here, Vector total waste of time, bad news, should never have been in the first place. A return of investment is shocking. Lots more news in next 2 weeks. So yeah, you can see a lot of share trades have happened. Mate, some people's the trade price has dropped to 0.018. Some people's this must be a stop loss because these are crazy. Then obviously yeah, we got some buys coming in recently as well because I think yeah, the share price has overdone it. But how did it drop that low? Is it here? They got to 0.01. Someone's stop loss must have got hit. Okay, so yeah, we were on a bit of a trajectory back up again. So yeah, today's update was just about Garcia and being another duster. Very, very annoying. Because this project has taken way too much time and like waiting, and then also in 2025 as well. So the sooner it's gone and done, the better for everyone. So guys, let me know your thoughts on today's RNS. What do you think? What would you say Mosman should do next? I personally think just do Treasure Hill and then just stop because just no point. Especially if this one's also a duster, then just no point doing the last one. But just the fact that Treasure Hill is close to a model dome gives me a bit of confidence that helium may be found here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Next week should be interesting for the company. Because yeah, recent performance not being great. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, be sure to like, subscribe and share, and peace.